This is literally the best way to give your dogs a bully stick. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this bully stick holder. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Ready, Kira? Check this out. Watch. Oh, look, she can't get it out of there. Oh, look, you can't get it. I'm going to go show you guys. I'm going to show you guys just how that works in just a minute. All right, now I'm going to show you guys just how easy this is to use. So it has this pin locking system, and that's what holds the bully stick in place so that your dogs can't get to that little tiny piece. So you move this black piece over to the side, slide the pin out, take your bully sticks. I get my bully sticks direct from EverChew. They come pre-drilled with the holes already in them, and they are the best bully sticks. They are low odor to no odor. I don't think they stink at all, even when the dogs are chewing on them. So put that in there, push that pin right through, make sure that that black piece comes back up so the pin doesn't slide back out. You can see it came through there, and that's it. It's in there. It's held in place. And now they can't get it out, which is pretty cool. This holder will hold the thicks and the jumbo bully sticks. This one will not hold the thins, but it will hold the thick and the jumbos. Look at those little paws at work. Oh my goodness. So as you can see, look at that. Do you see how she put her paws on there to hold it down? Yes, you get it, girl. You get it. So she can push down on that. She can pull as much as she wants. And that pin system is not going to allow her to pull that bully stick out. Now you may be asking, why is that important? Why don't we want them to pull that piece out? That little end of the bully stick, so many dogs end up swallowing that piece, which you might not think is a big deal. And sometimes it's not, but it can become a bowel obstruction really, really quickly. They could also choke on it. So the fact that this makes it so the bully sticks stay there, they can't get that little piece, gives me a little bit of peace of mind when giving my dogs bully sticks. Honestly, I think it's just the greatest thing ever. For the longest time, I stopped giving them to my dogs. Look how happy she is. See, I'm just ripping and tearing and pulling and having the bestest time of my life. You sure are. Yeah. All right, I'll check back in with you when you get closer to the bottom. So I did a little test with this where I stood on this and tried to pull the bully stick out on my own. I'm going to show you guys that right now. Okay, so here's the test. I try to do this with any bully stick holder that I get. Again, I've used these for a long time, so I already know this, but I want to show you guys. Stand on it. Grab it with your hand. Pull as hard as you can. Grab it with two hands. Pull, move it, twist it. That ain't moving. That's not coming out of there. That's how we know the dogs aren't going to get that piece out of there, and they're not going to choke on it. Oh, Kira's down to the very last little bit. Let me take it out of there and show you guys just what it looks like. There it is, and there it is. That's the little piece. So that's the piece that could cause all kinds of issues. You don't want your dogs to swallow these whole. Now, as for this, you can either hand wash it or you can stick it in the dishwasher. If you ever have any problems with this part right here, maybe not wanting to move or the pin not sliding in and out very easily, I just take a little bit of coconut oil and rub it right inside there, and it works great every single time. If you guys are looking for a great bully stick holder for your pets, by far the best bully stick holder out there, we highly, highly recommend this.